and thanks for taking time to learn about the future of automation applications based on NXP AI platform. I'm Robert Thompson from NXP, and together with Jay Liston from Advantech, we'll be presenting this session. For those of you who are not familiar with NXP, a quick overview. NXP is one of the leading semiconductor companies in the world, covering markets as diverse as automotive, mobile, smart home and cities, and industrial, the market we will be focusing on today. NXP has a long history and a worldwide presence that enables industry-leading customer support across all of our products. So which products will we be focusing on today? NXP differentiates ourselves with the widest portfolio of edge processing based on ARM technologies in the market. These span from low-power MCUs to cutting-edge application processors that are all aimed at the industrial market with a 10 to 15-year life cycle, a wide range of vertical market certifications, and security. Within this broad portfolio, starting in 2016, NXP launched the i.MX 8M series. The i.MX 8M series are a range of 64-bit ARM-based processors aimed at the industrial market. Based on the ARM A53 core, the family ranges from a quad-core with powerful graphics and video processing units capable of 4K HDR video decode to single-core with very small package options. Today, we are going to focus on the latest addition to the family, the i.MX 8M Plus. This part that will launch in March of this year is based on the same successful architecture, but has an additional digital signal processor, an image signal processor for effective vision systems, and a neural processing unit optimized to run inference engines for machine learning usage models. So, machine learning. A computer algorithm which improves automatically through experience is something we've been hearing a lot about for a long time. But finally, the wave appears to be here. An EE Times study in 2019 indicated that 55% of developers say their current or future work requires machine learning. This number is much higher now, and 2021 will be the year when a significant portion of the design world is ready to implement computer vision, speech, or sequence analysis. Based on this growing market of machine learning, NXP is launching the 8M Plus, our flagship machine learning processor for edge computing. Its major features are that it is built on 14 nanometer FinFET technology. It can be featured either in a dual or quad core that run up to 1.8 gigahertz, a Cortex M7, which can run up to 800 megahertz, but allows for the offloading of tasks. For machine learning and advanced voice and vision applications, the i.MX 8M Plus features two ISPs, two MIPI CSI interfaces, and the integrated neural processing unit that can run up to 2.3 TOPS for effective inference at the edge. For advanced multimedia, the i.MX 8M Plus supports 1080p 60 frames per second and also H.265 video encode and decode. The i.MX 8M Plus also supports a wide range of high-speed interfaces such as PCIe 3.0, 2 CAN FD, 2 USB 3.0, and 2 gigabit Ethernet, one which supports time-sensitive networking. This new device is available as a quad-core, a dual-core, or even a quad-lite that does not include the neural processing unit or the DSP. However, all these versions enable a wide range of usage models that are really outlined in my final slide. The i.MX A10 family focuses on machine learning, vision, advanced multimedia, and industrial IoT for high reliability. We believe that the hardware features along with robust software makes the A10 Plus applicable to a wide range of applications covering many industrial usage models. However, to reach the potential, we realize that we need industrial leading partners who can work with customers to build complete solutions to fully utilize the capabilities of the processor. Based on this, I would now like to hand over to Jay from Advantech to outline the customer-focused solutions they have built around the A10 Plus. Jay.
Thank you, Robert. My name is Jay Liston from Advantech, and now I'm going to talk a little bit about Advantech being part of the NXP i.MX 8M Plus Early Access Program. And we've developed two products along with that. You see them to the right. It's a single board computer, the 2.5 inch. That's the RSB 3720, and the Compact Edge AI Inference Gateway is the box you see there, the R3720. There's the high performance aspects of it, the specifications of it to the left. Applications I think are key right now in this marketplace is machine vision, AI, smart city, industrial automation, surveillance are all where we're seeing a lot of activity, and you are able to see that as well. So on this slide, we're talking a little bit about the AI and the factory and the edge solution that we talked about a little bit earlier. It's basically, the first one is the facial recognition. It's kind of self-explanatory as a lot of that going on in the world today, but for the industrial categories, you see it's just a really efficient way to authorize somebody to get in. They confirm that they're the right user, they see what's going on, and then they're tracked for their activities throughout their shift. If you look to the bottom there, you'll see the demo that's going, talking about product line management. And again, optimization is the key. Keeping track, making sure that it's an efficient process, that if the operator is getting a little bit tired, maybe getting a little slow, suggesting some breaks and those kind of things. At the end of the day, this is what makes it happen together, that the quality of the product, these are used right now in the Advantech factory, that the quality of the product coming to the end, no matter who the operator is definitely of the highest quality that we want and see in our product line. So this is a clear demo that shows the activity between NXP and Advantech in a product that has a real-life application. So the final slide I'm going to talk about is just what we have available. So you see the quad form factor there. Again, graphic performance for multimedia applications. The Mini, the 5721, is entry HMI industrial applications. For the 5722, again, the AI and edge inference applications. You saw the demo on the previous slide. And the 8M Plus also is that palm-sized, which has the modular I/O expansion boards for the AIoT applications. And then more to the right are all the possible modular I/O expansions that you can add to that board. At the end of the day, our long-term partnership with NXP is something that we're very proud of, very happy with, and we see it becoming even greater as we move forward. We want to create cutting-edge products together for vertical markets that are important in today's marketplace, and that's what you could expect from Advantech and NXP together. Thank you.